Hello, children. Welcome back to English class. A very good morning to all. Here, in this video, you're going to have a new lesson. What can a dollar and 11 cents do? So, this is the lesson. So, before going to the lesson, let's have a small gist upon this story. So, this is a story of a small girl. So, with her innocence, she want to save her brother, sick brother. So her parents tries a lot, struggles a lot to save her brother. But as he needs a surgery, and they cannot afford such amount. So they'll lose all the amount by paying the hospital bills and all. As you know that nowadays hospital bills are so costlier than other things. So So with her innocence, she saves her brother. She takes a doctor to her place and saves her brother with her innocence. See, let us see how it happens. Okay? Before going to this story, I'll show you I'll show you a small picture. Just observe the picture and answer the questions that follows. Okay? Yes. Let's start. Now children, have a look on this slide. See, you can see a picture on the slide. What is that picture? What can you see in the picture? It's a medical store. Yes, very good. It's a medical store. Then, when does one go to such shops? Who goes to such shops? Who needs medicines or some surgical items or something else like that? Okay. Then, why do you think the girl has come to the shop? You can see a little girl wearing a blue color frock in the shop has come to a shop. So, what do you think? Why she has come to this shop? For what purpose? Yes, she wants some. She might have come to purchase some medicines. Okay, right. What do you think the girl is saying to the shopkeeper? Yes, she is speaking something to the shopkeeper. What might she has spoken to the shopkeeper? Does she look happy? Is she happy? Can you see in the picture? Is she looking happy? No, she is in hurry and worries. She is in sad face. What makes you think so? Then why she is like that? Why she is sad? Who might be ill? So somebody who is related to her, maybe her parents or her brother might be ill. Who is ill? As I told you, her brother is ill. So she want to purchase something, okay, from the medical store. So she has come to the medical store. So what can a dollar and 11 cents do? It can do anything. Okay, with this dollar and 11 cents, you can buy a miracle also. Let us see in the lesson. Okay, an 8-year-old child, Tess, her name is Tess, loved her brother Andrew. Her brother name is Andrew, and the little girl's name is Tess. She is 8 years old. She used to play with her brother. One day, Tess heard her parents talking about her little brother Andrew. All she knew was that Andrew was very sick and her parents did not have enough money for the treatment. So one day what happened? She loved her brother very much. She used to play with her brother. But one day she heard something. Something. What is that? She heard that her parents were talking about her brother's illness. So they doesn't have enough money to give certain treatment to her brother. Then They were moving into a smaller house because they could not afford to stay in the present house after paying the doctor's bill. See, uh, so after paying the doctor's bill, they have lost all the savings. They have lost all the savings which are saved for the future of the children. They lost all the money, and now they want to shift to another smaller house. Why? Why? Because her parents cannot afford to stay in such a big house now where they are staying. So they want to shift to the smaller house. Then he needed a costly surgery now, and there was no one to loan them the money. So her parents lost all their hope and gave up their efforts. So now, why they are worrying? Why? Because Andrew needs a surgery. He want to be treated costly. So he needs a costly surgery. So they cannot. They doesn't have enough money to get the treatment, and there were no other people from where they can lend the money, from where the parents can take loan take loan for the treatment. So they have lost all their hopes, and they gave up their efforts also to save that boy. When Tess heard her daddy say to her tearful mother, "Only a miracle can save him now," she went to her room and pulled a jar of coins from a cupboard. She poured all the money out on the floor and counted it carefully. So what Tess um, so Tess heard her daddy saying something to her mother. She was crying. So daddy was saying something to her mother. So what he said, only a miracle can save him. So they lost all the hope in saving that boy. So he said that only a miracle can, something that means surprising thing, miracle. Mm, only that can save this little boy. She went to her room and pulled a jar of coins. So as she heard this, she went to her room and she took a jar of coins, what she has saved, and poured all the coins on the cupboard, and she started counting them. Holding the jar tightly, she made her way to the medical store and placed it on the glass table. Then what she did? She counted the coins, and she holded that jar tightly, and she rushed to the medical store. Why she rushed to the medical store? She want to get that miracle, she's thinking that only miracle can save, means she want to buy that miracle from the medical store. She's thinking that as she's a small innocent girl, she don't know what is that. So she's thinking that if she buys that miracle, she can save that boy. What do you want? Asked the chemist. So she went to the medical store, and the chemist asked her what she wants. It's for my little brother, Tess answered. He's really, really sick, and I want to buy a miracle. Then what she said, my brother, he's Andrew, and I want to buy something for my brother. What is that? Something that is miracle. She want to buy a miracle for her brother. We don't sell miracles here, child. Then the chemist replied that, we don't sell any miracles here. I'm sorry, the chemist said, smiling sadly at the little girl. So the chemist answered the little girl that we don't sell any miracles here, my dear child. And he smiled sadly at the little girl, saying this. Listen, I have the money to pay for it. She's thinking that she may not pay the money. That's why the shopkeeper is saying like that. She said that I'll pay the money for that. If it isn't enough, I can try and get some more. So what I'm giving now, if it is not enough, if it's not sufficient to get that miracle, I'll try to get some more money for you. Just tell me how much it costs. how much it costs. It means here miracle. How much it costs, you tell me, I'll bring that money. I'll try to get some more money, what you want. Okay, so she doesn't know that what miracle is. So she want to buy, she want to get that miracle from the chemist shop. Okay. Okay. Read this lesson for 2 times and try to understand well, and get ready for the next video. Okay, children. Till then, bye bye. See you again.